Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Atlas Earth on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download Atlas Earth from your Player App Store. This is it here. Once you've downloaded it, you want to go ahead and open it up. So Atlas Earth is a mobile game that combines real estate investing with location-based gameplay. So we need to understand the game concept. So you can buy virtual land parcels that correspond to real world locations. Each plot costs Atlas bucks, the game's virtual currency. You earn rent in real time based on how much land you own. Now, in order to earn Atlas bucks, you can watch ads to earn free Atlas bucks. You can purchase Atlas bucks with real life money. So if we go to the shop here, we can purchase Atlas bucks with real life money. And if we watch ads like so, we can get one Atlas Earth. If we scroll down, we can take surveys for Atlas bucks. If we book hotels using Atlas Travel, we can earn Atlas bucks as well. Now, if we want to go ahead and buy virtual land, we need to go back to the map here. And then at the bottom, if there's any land available, we can go ahead and click on buy land. So you can see select an available plot of land to purchase, or select the parcel you own to put up for sale. So say for example I want to buy this plot here. I'm going to click onto it, then I'll say buy this land. The exact plot of land will be yours forever until someone buys it from you. As a landlord, it will pay you rent of, and it'll say the amount per second. Virtual rent can be cashed out for USD when your balance reaches $5 or more. Pretty cool. So you can cash out as well. So if I want to buy this land, I want to purchase $100, but because I've been purchasing land previously, I don't have enough bucks to purchase this. So if you're like me, you don't have enough, we can go ahead and get bucks, and then we can go ahead and buy some if you like, or watch how many ads you like. Stated before, we can collect rent. So rent is accumulated over time and can be redeemed for real money via PayPal or gift cards. Redeeming usually requires a large amount of accumulated rent, so keep that in mind. And now this is where your rent money is going to appear on the top of your profile. Now let's talk about leveling up and compete. So you can earn badges here. So if I click onto my user profile, we can see, and then I'll click on view passport. This is where we can see our badges. So every level we can get an extra boostage. So if I get to level 1, which is 1 to 10 badges, we can get a 5% boost. Level 2, which is 11 to 30 badges, we can get 10% boost. Keep scrolling down all the way until you can get up to, where is it, the max level 5. So this is where you get, if you've got 101 to 9,999 badges, you get a 25% boost. If I go back here, we can see some of our stats. So we can see our current level here. I'm currently at 1 badge. If we scroll down, we can see our total rent accrued, which is here. Common parcels owned, rare parcels, epic parcels owned, legendary, and etc. They're all going to be put in here. Now, if we go ahead and click on the gear icon, it will come in the settings. So we can turn our sound and music on and off here. Also map labels. We can manage connected cards. So this is specifically for cards enrolled for free Atlas bucks via our merchant program. If I go ahead and verify my account, we can earn free Atlas bucks here as well. Pretty cool. Got any referral codes? We can jot them in here to get more Atlas bucks. We can also log out and delete my account inside of settings. If we want to go ahead and change our name, we click on the pencil icon here and give yourself a new name. Now, if you want to see of any events or upcoming events on the bottom here, go ahead and click onto events. This is where all the active events are. So if we want to do a diamond hunt, these are going to be all different for every person as well. They might be similar or different. So diamond hunt, so find diamonds on the map to have a chance to earn free Atlas bucks. So we can spin this wheel if we like. So I'm going to spin it and spin wheel. But I don't have enough diamonds. Walk around to explore nearby and find more. So if you see any diamonds on your map, go ahead and collect it. Now, if I want to go ahead and take a survey, we can. You see all the different type of events we can try out. If I go ahead and click on inventory, this is where all of our inventory is going to be placed inside of here. At the bottom here, we've got landmarks as well. So landmarks are going to be coming soon to Atlas Earth. So they're currently preparing our first landmarks for open bidding. This is going to be a pretty cool feature inside this game. So you'll get a push notification when sales begin. So make sure you got your push notifications turned on Atlas Earth so you don't miss out. And landmarks pay out rent per second, just like land parcels. Also, landmark owners will appear in the landmark tab for maximum visibility.